I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I will be doing a power hour, and I got a lot done in this power hour, you guys. So if you're ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave me a comment to let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning, and I am just starting out in the kitchen. I was able to get everything cleaned and get a little bit of decluttering done, so keep on watching if you want to see.
But just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the
First time visiting my channel today, hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and here on my channel I post cleaning motivation every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and leave me a comment so we can get to know each other.
Believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it. I feel it.
Like to add some dish soap to this barkeeper spraying just to get a little extra shine. I don't know, I love when sinks sud up really good, and with the barkeeper spraying by itself I don't get the suds that I desire, but when you add just a little dish soap, it really does the job.
Out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you
have the countertops all clean. I'm just gonna clean underneath this kitchen sink, and I have a lot of products in here. Not a lot, but there's a lot in here that I don't use on a daily basis, not even once a month. It's not that I don't like the products. I think that I just have so many of them that I don't get around to using all of them. And I'm thinking I'm going to take them out, but I do want to go ahead and use them up. Some I didn't really care for, so I'll use them up and I will not be repurchasing. But I do not like to waste my money, okay? So your girl is going to use these products. But for now, I'm going to set them to the side because they are not my favorites. And I'm going to use them up at a later date.
Fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder.
I have 2 more cabinets in this kitchen that are full of cleaning products. I also have my linen closet in the hallway full of cleaning products and the bathroom full of cleaning products. So I have a lot of decluttering of these products to do. I have a hard time letting go of stuff, okay? I can be a hoarder just a little bit, but I am getting better. I just like trying new things. Is anybody else like that?
It never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no one.
So the next area I wanted to tackle really quickly was the living room. It's never really a mess. There's just toys and blankets everywhere. It doesn't take long, but my husband did decide to help me out since I was working against the clock.
In hindsight, why did I take my hand off the wheel? I'm like a deer in the headlights. Just can't believe what you think and feel. 'Cause I've been going backwards.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have a lot of pine cones on this tray. Pine cones remind me of my mom. I really do miss my family as they do not live close to us. So when I saw these pine cones, I had to get them, okay? And they are scented and smell amazing.
That I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. So skilled at procrastination. You gotta give me credit for that. Lost you when I stagnated. I should've seen it right off the bat. 'Cause you've been sending signals. I guess it's very simple, but
Alright, love, so I wanted to finish this power hour off by getting some laundry folded, and you guys know I love doing laundry. I love bringing you laundry motivation. I hope you enjoy watching me fold. I know it is not for everybody, but this is so relaxing to me. I just had some music playing in the background and I get in my zone, okay?
believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. I know you struggled with your patience. 'Cause I was holding us back in every way. And now that I've learned the basics, my apologies won't change anything. Won't change anything. Apologies won't change anything. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill.
I want to take a moment to truly thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. I'm so amazed. When I started my channel, I really thought I would be cleaning for about 50 people for years, okay? I did not expect people to actually like me and want to watch my videos. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you who leaves me great comments. You guys keep me going. You make me feel so good and confident because this is really out of my comfort zone. I'm very private. I don't post a lot. I don't talk a lot about my life. I don't really share a lot about my life. And so this has definitely opened me up and let me come out of my shell some. So I appreciate you guys for helping me, just like I hope these videos are helping to keep you guys motivated.
So strong, it goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy.
And that is it, you guys. I'm gonna get this laundry put away really quickly. I do hope you enjoyed this video and got some motivation to tackle some things around your home today. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure that notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Please leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. Share this video with a friend that you think needs some motivation as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's just a